Show up with them stacks, rain and racks on my rack. Wrap it up, boy, while I took this gold wall. Talk that talk.
Travis Barker, yeah! Let's go! Lil Jon, Yellow Wall, let's go! Twister, and my homeboy, Busta Rhymes, holla at him!
Before I take another minute just to give everybody a movie never seen a hitter with another. Let me get up everybody that be moving with. On your marks, are you ready?
Let's go!
Wow! Okay, here we go again. You see the wind blowing in. I'm like a mangling the wind, and I be mangling the beat. They call me Dracula. Then they see the going in. Wow. Everybody know that I'ma come and I'ma go. Then I gotta do what I be coming in to do. Body to beat. They let the baby giving them a show. Keys to the ignition and step on the gas.
Let's go.
And bust a bottle and pour me a shot in my glass.
Let's go.
Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? And we back up in the building and we coming with a scorcher. Y'all already know who it is. It's Busta Bus and Travis Barker. Back to the beat. See, we gotta go. Hit you with the fire trust. Everybody better know that we about to let it blow. And we gotta get it, yo. Everybody, if you're really with me.
Let's go! Hey! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Hey! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Hey! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Hey! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go!
I already spit it to the rhythm of the piano, so now I gotta get a drummer song. Put the T up on the track, I'll be phenomenal, cause when it come to having a hit, I'ma make another one. Blink 182 times, when you see the twister with Travis. Madness, kinda like a savage, ravage, murder with the art like blood on the canvas. And it's kind of impeccable how I can spit it to get up in a minute with intricate patterns of a kick drum. Diabolical lyrical flow, that I swallow you theoretical, thinking that you could get some. I'ma hit it with a Lamborghini flow, with the speed of a Bugatti. I'm from another planet when I spit the verse with the weed in my body. And I'ma hurt them every time I get up in the booth, sipping on the liquor 182 proof. Now they wanna say they should've never let me loose. Out of the cage, now come and see what I'ma do. It's Twister the Jason, the rap on the track, and it hit you with the Midwest flow. Even if you ain't ready, yeah, all I gotta say is ready, set.
Let's go! Hey! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Hey! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Hey! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Hey! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go!
Drive by, hit you with a two-piece combo. When I'm hanging out the window of your daddy's Lambo. Scrambled eggs, I got scrambled ammo. Keep you on top of the water like a banana boat. Yeah, I'm an animal. Everybody's edible and yellow wolf is headed for your arm and your hand and your head. I'm a cannibal. Heaven's the man's hopping up with the fans like a fucking animal. So, send it to me in a minute when you're finished and I'll put it in a vice grip. I'll put it into the image and I'll send it to the via independent fucker with the mic grip. I might spit and put the trigger back in the submarine with the soul machine loaded. In an ocean, high deep, keeping up the leaving submarine imploded. From my name, motherfucker, find my nose. It's me and I'm sick in the prognosis. Got more bars than 25 and I put you behind them like how to yoke it. I can make your mama really proud to know me. And your broke daddy is down to know me. Give me 50 bucks and 50 rolls just to be in one of my videos. Yeah, homie, let's go.
Hey! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go!